Hi, I'm Mark Anthony, and in this video, I'm going to talk to you about trust, support, and connection to creator issues, because that's what day 2 of intuitive anatomy is all about. It's all about your skeletal system. And your skeletal system is basically your structural support for your body. It allows you to stand up, it allows you to move around and walk and do all the things that we just take for granted as human beings that we have the ability to do. And basically, any time you have issues relating to the bones, the key thing that you want to be looking at is issues around your connection to Creator. Your connection to Creator is probably the most important thing in your life. If you believe that you are one with the Creator, then what can possibly be against you? Your manifestations will happen very quickly. You'll allow things, wonderful things to happen for you in your life. And so it's really important enhancing your connection with the Creator, changing your beliefs around knowing that the Creator is there for you. Oftentimes in our lives, we can feel that we're being victimized, and often it can be feelings of thinking that God is against us, or, Creator is against us, or, that the Creator isn't there for us. But the truth is, you are always connected to the Creator. You are one with the Creator. So quantum physics teaches us that everything is energy, and we are one with that energy. And so if you allow yourself to heal your issues around your connection to Creator, you'll find the most amazing things will come for you. And you'll also find that your intuition will open up. And when you allow your intuition to open up, and you have your clear messages coming through from the Creator, your life's going to be absolutely amazing. But it's also important to look at trust issues. Trust is a huge thing for human beings. We've all had life experiences where we've been hurt by people. And when you get hurt by somebody, you become hesitant to trust again. And so trust can be a really big issue. So it's important to be letting go of your fears about trusting people, because there are a lot of good people out there. And if you have good beliefs around trust and know that there are good people out there, you'll attract those trustworthy people into your life. The other aspect that's important to look at is support. And support is huge, because you know what? We're human beings. We need to have interaction with other people. And feeling supported in your life is one of the keys. If you feel supported, you'll feel really strong, you'll feel invincible, and you can achieve anything. And so it's really important to have that support. But one of the key supports that you need to have is feeling supported by the Creator, because the Creator is always there for you. You are one with the Creator, and all things are possible for you through the Creator. And that's a really, really important thing to remember. So what we're going to do is give you some downloads in relation to your skeletal system. So firstly, what we want to do is teach you what it feels like to have a great connection with the Creator, what it feels like to trust your connection with the Creator, what it feels like to know that you are one with the Creator, and it's safe and possible for you to be one with the Creator. We'll also teach you what it feels like to trust your intuition, that it's safe and possible for you to trust your intuition, and that you allow yourself to receive clear messages from the Creator in relation to all areas of your life. We'll also teach you what it feels like to trust yourself, and what it feels like to allow yourself to trust other people with discernment. So let's give you Creator's perspective on trust, and knowing how to identify trustworthy people, people that you can rely on, people that are genuine, and knowing how to allow genuine, reliable, and trustworthy people into your life, and that it's safe and possible for you to have those people in your life. And let's just release the trauma around the times that you've been hurt in your life by other people, the times in your life when you've been betrayed by other people. So knowing how to let go of those, and that it's safe and possible to let go of those. And also what we want to do is teach you what it feels like to be supported, what it feels like to support yourself, what it feels like to be supported by the Creator, and what it feels like to allow supportive people into your life, and that it's safe and possible for you to be supported. So if you'd like to receive those downloads, then just say yes. So if you like this video, like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll receive updates of new videos when they're posted. And share it with people that you love and care about. So thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you all soon.